Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. And here we have x plus y equals to 13 and xy equals to also 13. So now we solve this problem for the values of x and y. So here the very first step we are going to do is first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. And now in the next step, here first we focus on equation number 1, and from equation number 1 we easily get the value of y. And now we move this x to the right hand side and it is written as y equals to 13 minus y. And now we call this is our equation number 3. And further in the next step, in order to find the values of x and y, here we need to substitute this value of y in equation number 2. So that here our equation number 2 is implies that this is x and y. So the value of y is 13 minus y equals to 13. Okay, so here we need more simplifications. Sorry, here this is our x, because we move over x in the right hand side. This is again our x. So here we multiply this x on both of these terms and it is written as 13x minus x square equals to 13. And now in the next step, you see here this is quadratic equation but not into the standard form. So now here first we convert this equation into the standard form. So we move 13x and minus x square to the right hand side. So when we move this minus x square to the right hand side, it is becomes plus x square, and this 13x becomes here minus 13x, and this 13 equals to plus 13, and this is whole equation equals to 0. And now you see here this equation will becomes quadratic in x variable, so that here we easily find the roots of this quadratic equation. So here we use the nice quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. So here first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 13, and c equals to also 13. So we know about the quadratic formula. It is stated as x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula, and now we substitute the values of a, b and c in this nice formula. So here when we substitute these values, this quadratic formula is written as x equals to minus b, and the value of b is minus 13 plus minus square root of b square. So our b is minus 13 and its whole square, and minus 4 times of ac. So our a is 1 and c is 13, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. So now in the next step, you see here we need to simplify the equation. So this minus is multiplied by this minus, and we get here plus 13 plus minus square root of 13 square equals to 169 minus equals to 4 times of 13 equals to 52, and it is divided by 2. So here we need more simplifications, and we write it as 13 plus minus square root of 169 minus 52 equals to 117, and it is divided by 2. So here we make the prime factors of 117. So its prime factors are in this form: 3 3s are 9, and 3 9s are 27, and again we divide it by 3 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and 13 1s are 13. So here we get the prime factors of 117 are 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13, and it is divided by 2 here, because we need to these steps in because we find the answer of the given question into the simplified form. So now in the next step, here we write this equation as x equals to 13 plus minus. Here we move this 3 to the outside of the square root, and it is written as 3 times of square root of 13 divided by 2. So these are the two roots of the given equation, and now this is the value of x. So in order to find the value of y, we need to substitute these two values in equation number 3. So here our equation number 3 is implies that y equals to 13 minus x. This is equation number 3, and now we substitute both of these values here. So here we write the positive value, it is 13 plus 3 into square root of 13 divided by 2, and here we write the negative value, it is 13 minus square root of 13 into 3 divided by 2. So here we substitute these two values in the above equation, so that our above equation is written as y equals to 13 minus x. So we substitute it here, 13 minus the value of x is 13 plus 3 into square root of 13 divided by 2, and here we substitute this value of x here. So we have the value of y equals to 13 minus x, and the value of x is 13 minus 3 into square root of 13, and it is divided by 2. So here further we need simplification here. So now we take the LCM of this equation, and we get 2/13 are 26, and we multiply this negative sign on both of these terms, and it is written as minus 13 minus 3 into square root of 13. So here you have 26 minus 13 equals to 13 minus 3 into square root of 13 divided by 2. So this is the value of y corresponding to the value of x is this one. Okay, so now further we substitute this value of x here, and now we need a more simplification here. So here we again take the LCM of this term, and it is written as 26 minus, here we multiply this negative sign on both of these terms. So this is minus 13 plus 3 times of square root of 13. So it is written as y equals to 26 minus 13, and we know that 26 minus 13 equals to 13 plus 3 into square root of 13 divided by 2. So this is the value of y corresponding to the value of x is this one. Okay, so finally we have the two solutions of the given equation. So the final solutions of the given equation are x1 y1 equals to 13 plus 3 into square root of 13 divided by 2, and the value of y1 is 13 minus 3 into square root of 13 divided by 2. This is the first solution, and similarly we have the second solution of the given equation is x2 y2 equals to 13 minus 3 into square root of 13 divided by 2, and 13 plus 3 into square root of 13 divided by 2. So these are the two solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.